Are you having an episode? Look what you did to my couch. My couch doesn't belong there, Ulysses. For good God. It belongs all the way up here. There you go. Are you calm now? Well, that's going to be hard to get. I'll get it for you.